Hi there, Mac here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video walk around tour of our new 2021 Volkswagen Golf R we have new in stock. I'm just going to run through the specification of this vehicle, just pointing out some of the main standout inclusions on the car. Starting with the exterior, you can see the vehicle is finished in gloss white. You have the diamond turned unique Golf R design alloy wheels with the blue painted brake calipers just behind. You have the matching blue trim across the front of the vehicle with the LED bar connecting both the headlights. The lighting system on this vehicle is the IQ Light LED matrix system, including the unique headlights with the daytime running light and the unique tail lights as well. The vehicle comes with the quad chrome tailpipe finishers, privacy glass for the rear windows, and moving to the interior, the 2021 model comes with a fresh interior design as well, including the newly designed front seats with the R logo on the back restraints. You've got Alcantara everywhere, the fabric seat centres. You get a leather-trimmed multi-function steering wheel where you can access the adaptive cruise control functions, as well as the heated steering wheel function from the right-hand side. The vehicle comes with a full digital driver's display, connecting across to the central display screen as well. The central screen itself is a touchscreen display. You can access your DAB radio from here, your satellite navigation, and the front and rear parking sensor display screen. You've got the revised controls on the centre console where you can access your keyless start-stop button, your drive modes, your storage compartments and your climate control functions. And lastly, in the rear of the vehicle, you can see that you've got 60-40 split folding rear seats and plenty of boot space available as well. If you'd like any more information about this car, would like to book a viewing or a test drive, please contact one of our sales team through the number provided at the end, or inquire through our website.